All right, guys. I don't know if you've seen Josh's latest video, but he is a spitting image of Conor McGregor. So I'm going to do a little experiment here. I'm going to get into snip, and I'm just going to snip Josh's profile here, his headshot. And we're just going to save this on the hard drive. We're going to call him Josh. Our KI6NAZ. That's in pictures. And then we're going to go to a little website. We're going to do Who Do I Look Like? And let's see. Yeah, we're going to go to this website. So we're going to go to starbyface.com, and we're going to upload Josh's pic here. It's in pictures. And let me upload Josh. And it's going to scan, and it's going to tell me, I hope the first one is Conor McGregor. Please tell me. Oh, Simon Elberg! Oh, that's great! Simon Elberg. Oh, these people don't look anything like Josh. Oh my God, Simon Elberg. Oh, my Zuckerberg. Oh my God, I'm crying. Oh my God, James Spader. No, Conor McGregor. Oh, I gotta get out of here. I gotta go.